The Ford F-150 Lightning doesn't get the same hype as the Cybertruck. It doesn't look futuristic. It doesn't turn heads at every stoplight. But here's the plot twist in 2026. Ford quietly made the Lightning make more sense for real people who actually use a truck. Because when Ford launched the Lightning, the whole pitch was simple. Take America's best-selling truck vibe, keep it familiar, and just swap the fuel bill for electricity. No culture war, no weird learning curve. Just a normal F-150 that happens to be quick, smooth, and way cheaper to run day to day. And now in 2026, Ford basically doubles down on that approach. And the biggest proof is how they cleaned up the lineup.